Namaste. I am Dr. Sameer Chowdhury, consultant orthopedic surgeon and knee replacement specialist at Tirna Specialty Hospital. On the occasion of World Arthritis Day, let's talk about a journey through the recovery from arthritis. Arthritis is a joint destroying disorder. There are about 100 types of arthritis. The main effect of arthritis is restriction in the movement at the joints, so indirectly affecting the lifestyle. The most common arthritis we come across is osteoarthritis. The most common age group affected is 50 plus, though nowadays we come across more and more young arthritic knees which are affecting people in their 40s also. Females are affected much earlier in their early 50s compared to males. It's sort of an epidemic nowadays to have arthritis. It is actually the commonest disease affecting people above the age of 50 worldwide. Now, osteoarthritis most commonly would affect the knee joint, and a patient would commonly come up with a complaint of pain in the joint, restricted movements in that particular joint, and stiffness. We do a clinical evaluation to confirm the arthritis. So a basic history taking and examination helps us to reach the diagnosis, which is confirmed on X-rays and any additional blood test if required. Though osteoarthritis per se is confirmed on a basic X-ray, MRI can give us details about the other affected parts apart from the cartilage and the soft tissues in the knee. Now, how do we go about the recovery from arthritis? So there are mainly 5 aspects to the recovery, the treatments being in the form of lifestyle modifications. So arthritis would generally affect you to start with minor activities like sitting on a chair, getting up from the chair, sitting on a washroom commode, or sitting to eat food. And then overall it progresses gradually. Generally it would give you bouts of pains 2 to 3 times in a year, and then it settles down. So when these bouts come, the lifestyle modification advised is to restrict those activities or change your sitting patterns or height of the chairs. So all provocative activities are to be avoided. The second aspect is physiotherapy. So a joint is generally supported by the muscle structures above and below it. So physiotherapy will actually work to strengthen this support structure, the muscles or the bones as well. So resistance exercises, posture management, and basic equipments like a stick support or a walker support depending on the stage of the arthritis helps. Next option is pharmacotherapy. So it would include drugs ranging from painkillers to cartilage regenerating drugs. So painkillers are an option, but a temporary option because they have their own limitations in causing gastric side effects, renal side effects, or liver issues. So for short spans they are very helpful. So they can range from a simple paracetamol to an opioid to NSAID. Nowadays there are plenty of cartilage regenerating drugs like glucosamine, diacerin, chondroitin sulfate, rosehip extracts, and collagens. All these are effective in a very small window of early arthritis. Further to this, the next treatment, fourth option is injections. And there are 3 main injection forms which we give for an arthritis in the knee joint. One is steroid, the other is a platelet-rich plasma, and the third and the most commonly used and a very effective modality is a hyaluronic acid injections. So the third one is mainly a lubricant, sort of replacing or adding to the lubricant action in the joint which is caused by the natural synovial fluid. So lastly, the fifth option in complete recovery from the arthritis could be a surgical intervention. So it comes under three broad headings. One is arthroscopy. Arthroscopy is a camera surgery wherein we can debride the worn out cartilage and the soft tissue in the joint, and it gives a relief but for a short span. Second option is where we do a unicompartmental knee replacement. So a knee joint would have three compartments. So if only a single part of it is affected, we replace that much. And the third and the permanent pain relief option will be a total knee replacement, where we remove the worn out cartilage layer and replace it with a cemented implant with a plastic insert in between, which gives a permanent pain relief. So the message today is a full recovery from the arthritis is possible. So there are plenty of good choices available nowadays, and these options are quite safe. So one should consider reaching out to these options and get over a painful lifestyle because of arthritis. Thank you.